Able to export a still from your video is great. You can capture moments from a timeline to create a thumbnail that you can export to Canva. Find the position with the blade, the timeline that you want to export, then you go up the top to shortcuts, then under basic you can go in there, press the control key and S, and once you've done that, save it. So if you press control and S on your keyboard, ask you where you want to export the still to. So go through the file tree to the folder that you want. And then you name the file what you want so it's easily recognizable. And tap on the export. And if we go to have a look, we can see it in the folder. Please like and subscribe to watch another video.